Okay. Hi, this is Sally, and I'm from China here. And now, from the first time I came to India till now, it has been more than 1 month. And until now, it's my feelings to whole India or to Lucknow, it has changed a lot. Yeah, from the former depressed, kind of inadaptable to now, I'm very excited and still has a passion for to search for everything incredible in India. And about my work, every time I go to work, I saw the eyes of the kids. I found the interesting things to teach them. I found goals and a kind of hope to every day till every morning. So I found this is really what Isaac knocked out, which I should appreciate too. And it's them who let me find what I should do, what I can to make myself large, make the small me to a large one. So it's really great. I shall memory all of this. I love India. I love Isaac. I love Lucknow. I sure I'll be back. Thank you.
Yay! This is so cute.